Peace, y'all. Welcome to Scipher Living. Here we go. We out here today, and this is what we dealing with. This is what we dealing with. So we have a hot tub, and we get in this hot tub, especially, well, today is nice. As you see, we only got sweatshirts on or whatever, but it's kind of cold. We're in the winter, and we like to come out here and get in the hot tub. The hot tub is like 104 degrees. So we come out here and get in the hot tub, look at the stars and all of that stuff. But as you can see, we've had some storms come through here lately, and you see what it did to our tent.
Blow it up.
Blow it up. Shredded it. Literally to pieces. So now we're going to clean this up. We got a new tent, pretty much the same tent. We're just going to try and reinforce it better. I should have adjusted this when I first put this up because some of the legs were like kind of not lined up, and I couldn't. There's like Velcro on there where you Velcro the sides down and everything, and it wasn't just right. You know, it was we kind of rushed it up, threw it up. Actually, we used this as storage before we got our container when we first moved here. Yeah. So I just threw it up real quick, and then we got the hot tub. We had a lot going on. You know what I mean? So just like in the other video we was telling you, we haven't been around for a while because we just had a lot going on. This is our first year here on the homestead. We're going to be showing you other videos about our gardening and stuff like that. It's things we do around the homestead. You know, it's beautiful out here. It's an overcast day. It just got finished raining not too long ago, but it's nice out. So we're going to take advantage of this weather, and we're going to throw up the other tent. We have the other tent here, so watch us work. Yeah. Hey y'all, I'm really surprised with this because these are the stakes that held this thing in place through all the windstorm. I'm talking about heavy wind. And this stayed in place really well. So I'm really impressed with this. I don't know how. You know what I mean? Like I had put up a sunshade in the front of the house, and I cemented the posts in the ground, and those things fell over. This thing, A1. Right now we're unboxing the new tent. So far, we've taken out the covers. Here's the stakes and ropes. Here's the user manual, which I don't need. I already know how to put it up. And we just took it out the box. So this is the box here. Yeah, we'll move this to get that out the way. And this is the tent here, so we're unboxing it. And we're going to share with you guys the link to this particular tent in the video, in the description or the comments. So that's pretty much it. And that's good because this thing, you can take it down if you want to. You can bring it to the beach. You can bring it to family functions. And here's the, I guess, the case for it. It has wheels on the bottom. Yeah, so it has these wheels on the bottom. And it has a handle here. And here's some storage. So you can put the stakes in it or whatever. It's not bad. Not bad. So right now, what we gotta do, pull this apart like this. Yeah, pull your side up like that. Put it right here. And then what you do is you drape the top of it over this, kind of get it in position, and then you pull each corner apart until it spreads out. And then you lift it up and put the sides up and all that stuff. So we're gonna show you that. Just like that, guys. It's easy. And this is the very top. So you want that in the middle. Like that. This thing is so easy. Alright, and then you just pretty much, you pull it out little by little until you get it to the corners where they need to go, which is here. So these Velcro pieces here, this Velcro piece here, Velcros to this corner. So I'll get on this side. See how it's starting to form? See how it's starting to form already? This is it. Wait.
Yeah, it's not clipped in.
Hello. Oh. All right. Ready? See it happening. This is a little bit different than the one we had. I guess they kind of tweaked the design or how to attach it and everything, the sides. We'll see how it goes. We'll do that side and then this side and then the other side last. And there you have it, guys. Voila.